Hi, Doug here with another tip on how to get the absolute maximum benefit from your Turboforte. When you open the box, you'll find two things. Firstly, you'll find there's a little metal ball in the Turboforte that rattles around, and that's okay. It's supposed to move. It's not broken. The second thing you'll find is a little instruction sheet. Now you need to follow the instructions very, very closely, step by step. We've actually heard of a few people who are trying to breathe in through the device. It's not designed to breathe in through. The Turboforte is designed to blow into and create a flutter effect that's going to loosen and dispel mucus in your airways, and also open your airways up so that you can breathe better. The other thing to be aware of is flutter devices like Turboforte have been used by hospitals, doctors and therapists around the world. It's a class 1 medical device. We're excited about it, and we really believe that you're going to get a great benefit from it. So keep an eye open for another turbo tip. Cheers until then. Bye.